In today's video, we will be diving into the world of foods that can help reduce acid reflux. Have you ever experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation? Immediately you know how important it is to manage it. We will be exploring various acid reflux-friendly foods and share tips on meal planning, as well as discuss how simple dietary changes can make a big difference. Get ready to discover delicious options that can soothe your symptoms and also assist you in improving your overall well-being. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing discomfort and irritation. This condition can significantly impact daily life, leading to symptoms such as heartburn, regurgitation, and difficulty swallowing. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for effective management. By making informed dietary choices, it is important to note that you can help alleviate these uncomfortable feelings and improve your quality of life, making it essential to know what foods to include and avoid. Bananas are a fantastic choice for soothing acid reflux due to their natural antacid properties, which help neutralize stomach acid. Their high fiber content also aids digestion, promoting a healthier gut. You can easily incorporate bananas into your diet by adding them to smoothies, slicing them onto cereal, or enjoying them as a quick snack. With their delicious taste and health benefits, bananas are a simple way to support your digestive health. Oatmeal is an excellent choice for those suffering from acid reflux, as it absorbs stomach acid and helps reduce uncomfortable symptoms. This hearty breakfast option is not only filling, but also gentle on the stomach. To enhance your oatmeal, consider safe toppings like bananas, blueberries, or a drizzle of honey. Making oatmeal a breakfast staple can provide a soothing start to your day, while supporting your digestive health. Ginger plays a significant role in alleviating acid reflux thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It helps soothe the digestive tract, reducing irritation and discomfort. You can enjoy ginger in various forms, such as ginger tea, fresh slices in smoothies, or even as a spice in your meals. Incorporating ginger into your diet can be an effective way to manage. Green vegetables are a fantastic addition to an acid reflux-friendly diet, as they are low in acidity and packed with essential nutrients. Examples like spinach and broccoli not only provide vitamins and minerals, but also help maintain a healthy digestive system without triggering reflux symptoms. Incorporating a variety of greens into your meals can enhance your overall health and support your efforts in managing acid reflux effectively. Melons, such as cantaloupe and honeydew, are excellent choices for reducing acid reflux symptoms due to their alkaline nature. Their low acidity helps neutralize stomach acid, while their hydrating properties keep you refreshed. Incorporating melons into your diet is easy. Try adding them to fruit salads or blending them into smoothies for a delicious and soothing treat. Enjoying melons can be a simple way to support your digestive health. Lean poultry, such as chicken and turkey, is an excellent choice for those managing acid reflux. Choosing lean meats over fatty options helps reduce the risk of triggering symptoms. Cooking methods like grilling or baking are ideal, as they avoid adding unnecessary fats. Encourage viewers to explore a variety of recipes using poultry, from stir-fries to salads, to enjoy delicious meals, while keeping their digestive health in check, including fish. In an acid reflux-friendly diet, offers numerous advantages, primarily due to the omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation. These healthy fats can support overall digestive health. Opt for cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming to keep your meals light and reflux-friendly. Encourage viewers to try different types of fish, such as salmon, trout, or tilapia, to add variety and flavor to their meals while managing symptoms. Whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa are beneficial for managing acid reflux due to their high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in promoting healthy digestion and can help prevent reflux symptoms. By encouraging viewers to swap refined grains for whole grains, they can enhance their meals with nutritious options that support digestive health. Incorporating whole grains into your diet is a simple yet effective way to improve overall well-being. Herbal teas, such as chamomile and licorice, offer soothing effects that can significantly benefit those with acid reflux. These teas help calm the stomach and reduce uncomfortable symptoms, making them a great addition to your daily routine. Encourage viewers to replace caffeinated drinks with these herbal options, as they are gentler on the digestive system. Enjoying a warm cup of herbal tea can be a comforting way to manage acid reflux. Almonds are a fantastic choice for alleviating acid reflux symptoms due to their alkaline nature, which helps neutralize stomach acid. Packed with essential nutrients, including healthy fats, fiber, and protein, they provide a satisfying and nutritious snack. Suggest eating a handful of almonds as a healthy option between meals. Incorporating almonds into your diet can support digestive health while offering a delicious way to manage acid reflux effectively. Yogurt is an excellent choice for promoting digestive health, thanks to its rich content of probiotics that support a balanced gut microbiome. These beneficial bacteria can help alleviate acid reflux symptoms. When selecting yogurt, opt for low-fat options to avoid triggering reflux. Encourage viewers to enjoy yogurt with fresh fruits or as a tasty snack, making it a delicious and nutritious addition to their diet for better digestive wellness. Fennel is a wonderful herb for soothing the stomach and reducing bloating, making it beneficial for those with acid reflux. Its natural properties can help alleviate discomfort and promote digestion. You can incorporate fennel into meals by adding it to salads, stir-fries, or roasting it as a side dish. Additionally, fennel tea is a soothing option. Encourage viewers to explore fennel as a flavorful and healthful addition to their diet. In this video, we explored various foods that can help reduce acid reflux symptoms, including bananas, oatmeal, ginger, green vegetables, melons, lean poultry, fish, whole grains, herbal teas, almonds, yogurt, and fennel. We emphasized the importance of making mindful dietary choices to manage your health effectively. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more content on improving your digestive wellness.